Besingawuqhawula siwuqale njani unyaka omtsha singakhange siva amazwi amabini amathathu from our Lord General Nhlanhla mkhwanazi himself. From nge-29 kaDisemba 2025 until i-31st kaDisemba 2025 bebebhizi nge-tournament kwiilali zase-KZN ke uzama ukuqokelela i-youth ezama ukuyiqhelisa ukuyisusa kwimpembelelo zotshwala neziyobisi ngoba uyakwazi ukubaleka kwe-youth yethu into yoba i-country yethu idepende kwi-youth. Hayi ke uwakhiphile amagama atshoyo nge-31st kaDisemba into yoba 2025 into yoba Happy New Year to South Africans. And I'm the compliments of the new year, and I hope 2026 will be gentle to us.
This afternoon here at this area of Herigwala District, Board of Herigwala District, together with Bumulova District in the area of KwaZulu-Natal. We have organized this tournament here, a soccer tournament that involves both men and female soccer teams. They've been playing since Monday, and today it's the last day. The purpose of us having these events, which we started last year, was to really bring together the youth of this area, the rural area, the area that is mostly neglected. The youngsters here that end up getting used to taking alcohol, misbehaving. We want to get them together so that they have a purpose. They don't just hang around during these holidays. They come together and they get busy with sport. And in so doing, they interact with police and where we give safety tips about the behaviors and the likes, so that we have better society as they grow up. But other than that, we have, through our sponsors, managed to get some donations, at least some soccer kits, so that when they play, at least they are able to get something, and others have been able to provide food that feeds the community. So we've had a very good tournament thus far, and we encourage other local people that can contribute to come together and contribute and help develop this youth, not only in this area, but the length and breadth of the province, especially those neglected areas, people that are really struggling. As we ending the year, today, ushering the new year, I do hope that as these kids here, from here, they're going to go and sleep, they're tired, they've been playing. The communities out there that are going to be celebrating the crossover, they do so responsibly, and we don't want to have incidents of crime or anything of that nature. We want people to have a safe passage into the new year, and I wish them well. They must behave, and if there's anything, the police will be there to support them and protect them wherever they need, if there's any crisis that they experience. So thank you so much for paying attention on this short briefing, and I wish you well for the new year until we meet again.